Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if you forgot your Facebook password. I'm going to show you guys exactly what you need to do if you want to log into your account but you just don't know the password. So right now I want to log into my account but I just simply don't know the password. Then what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to click on forgot password. Now what you need to do is you need to type in the email or the phone number that is linked to the account you want to log into. So for example, this is the email that is linked to the account I want to log into. So all I do is I type in the email and I click on find account. Now we can see that this is actually the account that is linked to my email. And then what you want to do is you want to click on continue. And now you're going to get a code in your email. So the email you just typed in, you're going to get a code to it. So make sure to open your email. And then what you're simply going to do is you're going to type this code right here, 968. Of course you have a different code, but this is my code. Just like this. And now once you've typed in that code, what you can do is you want to click on continue. Now you can create a new password. You don't have to do anything else. You can now create a new password. So make sure you save this password so you will always be able to log back into your account. This is really important that you save it. Now what you also can do is log out of all the devices. You can choose this if someone else used your account. If your friend used an account, you can simply enable this and it's really easy for them to automatically be logged out. But if you don't, if you just forgot your password, what you can do is simply click on continue. And literally now that we clicked on continue, we're now back into the account, and that's how you can fix if you forgot your password on Facebook. For Facebook, if you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.